I'm Dr. Foojan Zeine, and I'm so excited to be with Sister Jenna, the founder of Brahma Kumaris, the Meditation Museum, and the host of America Meditating. I really wanted to start the series of meditation with you because obviously I'm not very good at meditation.
That's not true, and you know it.
And I want you to teach me and teach everybody step by step in how we can be with ourselves, especially in this time.
Thank you, Foojan. It's so nice to be with you again. And let me correct the myth. Everyone can meditate, and meditation is very easy. The question is, what is your focus in holding a particular thought for a long period of time? So some of us tend to have a thought on a broken relationship, a heartbreak, lack of money, coronavirus. We're having a lot of meditation, maybe in areas that don't make us the most strongest. So in my path of meditation, it was a great relief when I knew I didn't have to empty my mind. And I think that's what a lot of people consider meditation to be very difficult. So on my path of the Brahma Kumaris, I want you to keep your thoughts in your mind, but select the healthy ones and the ones that are connected to your vision, your dreams, your goals, your virtues, your powers, your beauty. And that's when you'll feel like, oh, wow, this meditation is really awesome.
Okay. Can we do meditation tension in cleaning your body?
Okay. Ready?
Yes.
So wherever you're sitting, make sure it's quiet and you have the ability to not be disturbed, and settle in. Take a deep breath in and out. And the recommendation is to do that 3 or 4 times. So breathe in deeply and out. And as you're breathing in, imagine you're putting cool, clean oxygen into your system. And breathing out anything that's toxic in the system. Breathe in again. Breathe out. And as you get comfortable with the sound of silence, emerge the idea, the thought, this body is a temple. And what I place in a temple is everything worthy and clean. Imagine in your temple, you sit as a living deity, a living god or goddess. Imagine you're like an angel in your temple. What food of thoughts would you feed the deity, the god or the goddess, or the angel? There would be thoughts that I am a pure, peaceful, and loving being. And that simple thought becomes a means of cleaning your inner temple, the body, is also your temple. So first and foremost, the thoughts that you feed your inner temple takes care of what is inside. Images of worthiness. Allow your being to not only visualize this, but give yourself some time to experience it. The deity in you, the God in you, the angel in you is being fed. I am pure. I am peace. I am love. And I'm powerful. Allow that vibration to permeate through your body, starting from the soul. You'll feel your eyes getting brighter, your brain tingling, your smile becoming more natural, your neck being relaxed, your shoulders no longer taking the burden of the world on it. You sit straight up. The vibrations of taking care of your inner temple transcends throughout your physical being, your heart, your kidney, stomach, intestines, your legs, your knees, your feet, your toes, your arms, your fingers. It is receiving the food of thought. I am pure. I am peace. I am love. And I'm powerful. Breathe in deeply again. And exhale. And when you're ready, I invite you to return to the space. Feeling a deep sense of refreshment and a living reality. Open your eyes and take another deep breath. Inhale and exhale. That's one meditation that you can do when maybe you have 5 minutes or so in alone. In addition to that, it's a meditation you can do when you're walking and moving around. You can kind of remind yourself, if you're not intellectually busy, means your thinking process doesn't have to be invested in a project, in details, and trying to match a deadline, but you're just driving in the car to the gas station, or you're walking from the bedroom to the living room. You can remind yourself, I'm a pure, peaceful, loving, deity inside this temple. And as you're walking, creating that feeling in you, eventually it develops the characteristics, the qualities, the personality, the natural vibration and aura that travels with a soul who is like a living deity or angel.
Om Shanti. Thank you so
Om
much.
Shanti.
Thank you for being with us, and look for more meditations with Dr. Sister Jenna. Thank you. Bye-bye.